Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for watching this informational video on Swoogo, which is our new event registration platform. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your browser, type in spgroup.org. On our main page, you're going to scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see upcoming events. For this demo, we're going to use the Wednesday webinar series. So click on the Learn More/Register button, and welcome to Swoogo. This is the new homepage. You'll notice that the URL is different. Each event will have its own dedicated URL. So this is the topic. Obviously, this is for the March agenda. Our social media icons are down here. You can click Learn More by using this button, or you can click on the tab up here. This is going to be the most important page, Learn More/Add to Calendar. So as you'll notice, you have the date, the topic, the time, the description here. This magnifying glass, it shares the exact same information, just in a different format. The most important thing is that you add them to your calendar. So click on this button. I have Outlook, so I'm going to select Outlook. Click down here, and you'll notice it brings you the title, start time, end time, and the location. So I'm going to go ahead and save and close that. So depending on which ones you're registering for, click Add to Calendar for each individual one. So I'm going to sign up for the March 3rd session and the March 10th session. Save and close. All right. So moving on. Again, you can either click Sign Me Up or Register up here. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my email address and hit Continue. So because I've already signed in, I'm going to have an email and password. This is also extremely important when you're doing your registration. Please make sure to create a password. This will allow you to be able to go back and modify your registration by adding courses or deleting them. So I'm going to click Login. And when you save all your information, it's going to auto-populate. So it saves you time as well. So my first name, last name, company, and job title. Feel free to put in your phone numbers if you choose to do so. Going to hit Continue. So this is where you're actually registering for the classes. Before, we were just adding them to your calendar. Right here, you're actually registering for them. So as I mentioned, I'm signing up for the 3rd and the 10th. Hit Continue. Confirm registration details. Hit Continue. And this is the confirmation page that says, thanks for registering. So you're good to go. Again, these are our social media icons, or if you've made a mistake, you can always go back and modify your registration. So now that you've registered, I'm going to show you how you're going to access the event on the day of. The first and the easiest is by going to your calendar. So clicking on March 3rd, it will show up here. You're going to click on the calendar invite. We're going to go ahead and copy the location, put it into the browser. And it will automatically bring you to this waiting room. So it will show you the topic, date, time, how long, the description, and when it will begin. That's the first and the easiest option. The second way to get there is to go back to spgroup.org, click Learn More, Register, and then you're going to go over here to Event Hub, click on that, and the sessions that you registered for will show up here. So on March 3rd, I'm going to click View Session, and it will bring me back to the same waiting room. It depends on which way you'd like to go, but I would recommend the calendar invite and then clicking directly from there into the waiting room. I hope this information